Okay, question from Lazan. Does the use of PEX pipe affect the cost of insurance? Is PEX pipe compliant to be used as connecting pipes to a geyser? That's a technical question. Glenn, for you?
Yes, the pipe is all compliant according to the SABS standards. So a compliant pipe that is SABS approved is SABS approved. There is a very good argument that came out, and while we can disagree about the PRB COC, there was a very good point there, and they said that for the first meter to meter and a half of the outlet of a geyser, that should be in copper or metal pipe. In fact, metal pipe is the and there is some merit in that, because PEX pipe and these sorts of pipe have a limitation to the temperature that they can handle on the outlet of the hot water. So if your tank or your element thermostat is malfunctioning and you suddenly have this astronomically hot water coming out, you don't melt the pipe and cause untold damage in the house. Having it run through a steel pipe or a copper pipe for the first meter and a half does allow for sufficient cooling to happen before it starts flowing through. So not to discredit the PEX pipe or the plastic pipes in any way, there's some good merit in having copper for the first meter and a half of the outlet, but PEX pipe could be connected to the inlet and the cold. That should be fine. There's no problem. Definitely the discharges of the TP valve should be in a metal pipe, not polycarb, not plastic, no plastic pipe, metal pipe for the discharge of the TP.